Press the subscribe button and bell icon to get latest updates on career counseling related videos, entrance exam update and government job alert. Today we will discuss about two popular IT careers, that is web developer and software developer. With the technology transformation, the business and the organizations transforming themselves, and this create opportunities for the students in the careers that involve programming and application development. So in this session, we will discuss about web developer and software developer. We are going to compare them on different aspects which will help you to decide which tech career is right for you. Aspects like what is it, then we will look at the specialization and skill of both the careers, then job profile, organization and salary. So let's start the discussion. What is a web developer? A web developer is an IT professional who does coding to build a website or a web application. They primarily focus on the creation and design of interactive web pages. These web pages include simple text files or complicated content. They are also responsible for maintaining the performance of the website. Now let me introduce you with the software developer. The software developer are the creative mind behind software programs with the technical skill to build the programs. These developers create software. The software developers are the creative brainstorming masterminds behind computer program of all sorts. While some software developer focus on a specific program, the other creates giant networks or underlying system that help the trigger and power other programs. Now let's look at some of the specialization of web developer are: number 1, front-end developer. This is also known as client-side development and is the practice of how websites look and function as per the user's perspective. The objective is to ensure that when the user opens up the site, it is easy to understand, read and interactive. Number 2, backend developer. This is also known as server-side development. What it exactly means, it mainly focuses on the databases, scripting and architecture of the website. The code written by the backend developers helps to communicate the database information to the browsers. Number 3, full stack developer. This is a developer who works with both the front end and back end of the website. The front end developer can develop the client and the server side software, and the main task is to support the team and to reduce the cost. Now let's look at the type of software developers. Number 1, application software developer. The application software developer is the one who focuses on the design application that can run on desktop and on mobile platform. The system software developer is the one who develop and implement applications and programs for the backend process system used in businesses and the organizations. Let's have a look at the tools and the skills for both the developers. The web developers must be aware of the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular and Node, while the software developer must be aware of C, PHP, C++, Python and Angular JavaScript. Now you must be aware what both the developer does, their specialization and responsibilities. Now we will compare them on different aspects. Number 1, development platform. Web developer works on the developed applications that work on different browsers, while software developer ensures that the software works on Windows, Mac and Android OS. Now the second aspect is which is easy to learn for a beginner. To become a web developer, it is quite easier to understand the languages. Like you have to specialize only in some of the languages as discussed above. While in case of software developer, you have to be pro in C, C++, PHP, etc. so that you can develop a software for the organization. Now let's look at some of the career aspects such as job profile, organization and salary. Let us start with the job profile of the web developer. Number 1, front-end developer. Number 2, back-end developer. Number 3, full stack developer. The job profile of the software developer are software developer, application developer for Mac, Windows and Android. They both can be hired by the tech organizations like TCS, Infosys, Accenture, Cognizant, SAP. Now we will discuss the salaries of some of the organizations. First we will discuss the salaries of the software developer. Accenture 4.5 lakh, TCS 4.65 lakh, Infosys 4.81 lakh, Cognizant 6.21 lakh and SAP 9.22 lakh, while the average comes out to be 4.95 lakh in India. The salaries of the web developer in various organizations are Cognizant 3.90 lakh, TCS 4.21 lakh, Infosys 4.25 lakh, Accenture 4.76 lakh and SAP 7.1 lakh, and the average comes out to be 3.09 lakh per annum. Now you must be aware about the differences in both the careers. If you want to become a software developer or a web developer, you can enroll at SSDN Technologies.